Good morning, children. We have completed page number 20. Every drop counts. Okay? Today we will discuss about the activity number 7.6. See what has given. The students of class 5 are going on a picnic. Raju and Srija are carrying a bottle of water each. The other students have forgotten to bring their water bottles. How can they use the 2 bottles of water wisely? So children, this is a picnic, children. So already we have gone to the Tokada. Do you know? Are you remember that? So only 2 students have carried the water bottle. What about remaining? They have forgotten. So 2 water bottles. Is it sufficient to all the class? No, because of the 2 water bottles cannot sufficient to the all students. So children, whenever you go to the outside, you have to carry your water bottle. Okay, that is mandatory, children. So here you have to write your response. So they can survive or they can sufficient or not. Just write here your opinion. Okay, children. Now coming to the next one, uses of water. Uses of water here. What are the different uses of water? Complete the mind map to find out. Here mind map has given children use of water. Agriculture purpose, domestic purpose and industrial purpose. So agriculture means we already know. Used in fields. Fields means irrigation. Do you know irrigation means? Through the canals. Okay, they watering the crops. They watering the crops through the canals is known as irrigation. Crops ku water పెడతారు కదా నాన్న, చిన్న చిన్న కాలువల్లో ఉంటాయి కదా, దాన్ని irrigation అంటారు అన్నమాట. Next, watering plants. Yeah, small plants will be there at your home. So you will watering the plants every day, either morning or evening. So watering plants as well as irrigation. That is agriculture use. And coming to the domestic, used at home. So domestic means using household. Okay, household uses of water. Washing clothes, for cooking, bathing, everything, right? For cooking I have written. Next, industrial use. Use it to produce goods in industries. Yeah, industries also need water, especially paper mills. Do you know, children, while making paper, most of the water use it. Okay, so then the water again chemicalized and they again released into this wastage. Okay, generation of hydroelectricity and manufacturing process. In the manufacturing process, while manufacturing process, water used mostly. Okay, చాలా ఎక్కువగా వాటర్ యూజ్ చేస్తారనమాట. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ అబౌట్ మైండ్ మ్యాప్, చిల్డ్రన్. So water for many uses, it is our responsibility to use water carefully. So we have so many responsibilities, children. We should, okay, one of the responsibility is save water. Okay, it's not wasted and it should not be wasted, children, because of, can you imagine your day without water? One day, just at least one day, can you imagine without water? No. So we should not waste the water and we should not pollute the water. Including plants and animals also depend on water. Not only human beings, plants and animals also depend on water. So turn the page, children. Now page number 22. See, children, here we have another activity, children, 7b. Compare the uses of water by 2 families. Okay, 2 families, any 2 families. Just compare your family and your neighbor family, or your aunt family or uncle family. Just compare how much buckets of water they are using, how much buckets of water you are using. So like just comparison between how many members are living in their family and how many members are living in your family. If the more members living in a one family, they consumes more water, right? Every person, okay, average 50 ఓకే 50 లీటర్స్ ఆఫ్ వాటర్ కన్జ్యూమ్డ్ పర్ డే. సో 50 లీటర్స్ అనేవి మనం కన్జ్యూమ్ చేస్తాం యావరేజ్గా చూసుకుంటే. చాలామంది 50 కంటే ఎక్కువగానే కన్జ్యూమ్ చేస్తారు, బట్ యావరేజ్ కంటెంట్ ఈజ్ 50 లీటర్స్ ఆఫ్ వాటర్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ అనదర్ యాక్టివిటీ చిల్డ్రన్ 7.7 storage of water. This is about storage of water. See, imagine a situation where your house gets water supply only twice a day, from 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. in the morning and from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. to evening. This means that you will not get water for the rest of the day. So children, but just imagine that if the water available twice a day means you have to wake up early in the morning, okay, and you have to get the water from 7 to 8 a.m. so only 1 hour, and again evening 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. So what about 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock timings? You have to store the water from morning to evening. Again you will get the water in the evening only. So in the middle of the time you will not get any water. So this is example for storage. Just but we have the motor pipes children, we have the tank at on the terrace, so we can switch on that motor and we will get water. Okay, right? But just imagine that twice a water, okay, you will get water twice a day means it's very difficult. Just imagine that. So without water, and we cannot survive without water. Okay, so this is about 7.7 activity. See, here one question has given to us: how can you ensure that water is available for use throughout the day? See, how can you ensure that water is available for use throughout the day? సో మొత్తం రోజుకి అంతటికీ మనకి వాటర్ అనేది చాలా అవసరం కదా నాన్న. సో హౌ కెన్ యూ ఎన్ష్యూర్? సో వాటర్ అనేది ఎలా మనం యూజ్ చేసుకోవాలంటే దాన్ని ఎలా ప్రొటెక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి, మీ రెస్పాన్స్ రాయండి. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వన్, when we do not get water at all times we need to store water. So if you get the water, no problem. So if you not get water all the time, you should store the water, okay, for the next purposes. This makes water available for use later when we need it. So if you need water at 11 o'clock time while cooking, so only morning or only evening you get water means, so how can you get the water children? So you have to store the water. Okay, that is the best method. In houses people store water in containers or tanks. Yes, do you know, every home we have the tank on the terrace, right? How do you think water is stored for a big city or town? Do you know children, big cities and towns have the tanks, big tanks. Do you know the municipal taps? Municipal taps have the water only morning time and evening time. In morning the tap water we get from 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. Again night 5 to 7 or 5 to 6:30. Okay, so in the timings only we get water through the municipal taps. But in our home we are lucky to have the tanks or containers, so we get water throughout the year, throughout the day also. Okay, this is a best use children. Now coming to the dam children, dam is example of storage of water. So we should construct a dams for storage water. So let us learn about dams. One way to store water for a large population is to build a dam. So for purpose of large population we should build a dam. A dam is a structure built across a river so that the free flow of water is controlled. A dam can be made of concrete, rock or wood. So children, for example, this is a river. So water is flowing. Okay, water is flowing like this. Okay, we should construct a dam across the river. Then what happens? Water will stores here. The excess of water only flows in the river. So this is about dam, children. Dam is made up of concrete. That means the combination of cement, sand and stones, black stones. Do you know that? So this is known as a concrete and the rocks. Okay, not bricks, children. Bricks we are used in constructing houses, but coming to the dams and reservoirs, so they used rocks, children. Okay, rock or wood also. Wood means wood may get spoiled, you know, some insects will spoil the wood, so rock is good. So concrete, rock or wood. So with this we should made a dam, we should construct a dam. So dam is store water for a large population and it controls the overflowing. Okay, so most of the water will store here and only flow, excess of water only flow in this river. This is about dam, children. Just observe here, this is a river, children. Okay, this ikkada nunchi river flow avutundi. So this is a dam which is built across the river. So river kaddanga kadtaru anamata dinni. Okay, this is made up of concrete and rocks and with the help of cement and iron, sand and black stones. Okay, this is a dam, children. In the next session I will explain you about reservoirs. Okay, until then you should write the answers to the 7.7 activity and 7.6 activity. You should complete this mind map also. This is today work, children. Just read about it and you have to underline the new words in this lesson. Here we have the new words. A dam is a new word. Okay, concrete is a new word. Just underline it and you have to copy in your social CW notebook. This is your today work, children. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you. Bye.